shape of the strawberry is so cool. Sorry, what's the name of this place?
Ismail Samani Mausoleum of Ismail Samani.
That's such a long name.
It is our next destination. It is called Mausoleum of Ismail Samani. It was constructed at the end of 9th century, at the beginning of 10th century. Who is he, Ismail Samani? He is a Persian ruler who made Bukhara as a capital. Try to put in the history as a person who made great contribution to the history of Arab. The whole place chosen by the Abul Ahad Khan and fully constructed by Said Alim Khan. Sitorai-I-Mohi Khosa. What it means that? In Arabic language, Sitora, it means the stars. Moh, it's the moon. Khos is typical. It means a typical place for moon and stars. Here you can see decoration. Here you can see bright colors introduced. At the top you can see jugs. Below the jug is written in Arabic language. It is the last and only one historical building where you can see Russian architecture combining with Eastern architecture. Because our last Emir took education in St. Petersburg, there he studied the military academy, and there students' years are full of emotions. That's why he wanted some historical building reminds him his students' years. That's why he sponsored our master, Usta Shirin Muradov, sent to St. Petersburg and learned the Russian architecture. That's why in this building you can see a combination of the Arab and Russian architecture. Now I invite you inside.
So this is called Dolon?
Yes, it is a main courtyard.
Oh,
You
okay.
can see he has a door. It's our Emir's, last Emir's, his bedroom. Early morning when he wake up, he goes, leaves out from this home till the stairs. His ministers or officials are waiting and bowing. It's like official greeting. And he entered his room, and because Emir's main mission is to accept ambassadors. Mostly ambassadors come to our area for different purposes. First reason, it's political because most rulers wanted to establish a diplomatic relationship. Second reason is commercial because Bukhara considered one stop of the Great Silk Road. Third reason is military because other rulers wanted to conquer the area and they need soldiers. And from here you can see also door, it is for ambassadors. In front of you, you can see building, it's called White Hall. It's like Washington DC White House, where they use it to accept ambassadors for officials. If you pay attention here, you can see some features of Russian architecture. If you pay attention in the windows, you can see heart shape because we Bukhara people always are open to any kind of positive relationships. The blue one, it is a Bukhara style, Oriental style. The white one is a Russian style.
So there's peacock in the park. So my tour at Bukhara has officially ended, and my train to Samarkand is around 4:11. I've got nothing to do, so I'm just chilling here. Such a nice view. So I'm here for lunch. Man, look at the portion. This is half portion, but it's so big. This is fish salad. So this is Bukhara station. gonna be traveling to Samarkand from Bukhara. Yeah, so this is how Bukhara station looks like. I'm gonna take a high-speed train to Samarkand. So now I'm at Bukhara train station. I will be taking high-speed train to Samarkand, but because my tour ended quite early, so I have to wait here for 2 hours. Yeah, so I'm just gonna chill here before taking the train. Look at how crowded it is now. Yeah, try not to use the toilet here. It's bloody dirty. Everyone's just like pees everywhere, and there's smoke as well. It's so bloody dirty. Just entered the train station. I passed through the security, and this is how it looks like. Yeah, Afrosiyob is over there. Just need to find the right coach. Yeah, so this is the high-speed train. It's pretty long. It's really, really long. Yeah, but I'm just waiting to board the train now. So hopefully it will be smooth. Okay, I've just entered the train. I just got to my seat and I'm just waiting for departure. Okay, so I just got to Samarkand and I'll just look for my driver who will take me to the hotel. So I just met a driver. And apparently he worked in Korea before, so he can speak a little Korean, which is so cool. The weather is nice. Okay, I arrived at this hotel, which I'll be staying in for 2 nights. It has a bit of a European vibe here. Oh my god, this hotel is amazing. Wow, look at that. Oh, my room is great. Wow. It's perfect. Okay, now I'm on my way to get my dinner. So this is a view of Samarkand. Yeah, it's much cooler than Bukhara, and it has a mix of European and Central Asian vibe. It's really good. Looking forward to my dinner. Okay, I'm at this restaurant and there's no English menu. Everything is in Russian and I don't even know what I should get. Maybe I should just choose randomly. I forgot to take video of what I've ordered for my dinner today. But as you can see from the photo that I've posted, yeah, so I got lakman and lamb skewer. So I'm like having lakman every day because I did not have enough money to like get some expensive food, as I've left my luggage in my Tashkent hotel and my USD is in my luggage, so it's like there's limited option for me to like try out different food. So hopefully when I get to Tashkent I can get to try another authentic Central Asian food. So tomorrow at 8 AM I need to go to Tajikistan for a day tour. So I'll see you guys in Tajikistan. Bye bye.